Hello friends, welcome to my kitchen again. Today I'm going to show you how to make Feuilletine Flakes. I use them to decorate macarons and also in some other desserts. If you're ready, let's get started. We're going to need unsalted butter, room temperature, 1 egg white, also room temperature, powdered sugar, and flour. I'm using gluten-free flour, but all-purpose flour will also work for this recipe. In a mixing bowl, add soft, unsalted butter. Using whisk or hand blender, whip for a few seconds. Add powdered sugar and whisk again. Just for a few seconds, make sure everything is combined. Add room temperature egg white and whisk again. Add flour. Again, all-purpose flour will also work for this recipe. Use spatula just to make sure everything is combined in a mixing bowl. After that, spread about half of the batter on a parchment paper. I'm using here baking mat. You need to spread into very thin layer. You can use spatula or dough scraper, just as you see on the video. Just want to show you from different angle. Very thin layer. After that, transfer baking mat on a baking sheet and bake in preheated oven. The edges and the center of the baking mat should be nicely brown. Do not overbake. Remove from the oven and let them cool at the room temperature. Using your hands, break into small pieces. They break very easily. This is how they look. Then transfer flakes into small bowl or plastic container and keep at room temperature. If you like this video, subscribe and follow me for more recipes. Happy baking!